Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot payroll issues in QuickBooks. Payroll errors in QuickBooks can involve incorrect tax calculations, missing paychecks, or problems with direct deposits. So I'm going to show you what to do. Now, the first step is to identify the payroll issue. Check for error codes or messages when running payrolls. You want to note whether the issue is calculation related, setup related, or processing related. Step 2 is to verify employee setups. Go to Employees and open the affected profile. Now ensure that tax information, pay schedules, and pay rates are all correct. Step 3 is to check payroll service status. Visit the QuickBooks Payroll service status page. If there's an outage, you want to wait until service is restored. Step 4 is to update QuickBooks for payroll tax tables. In QuickBooks Desktop, go to Employees, get payroll updates, and then download entire updates. In QuickBooks Online, updates are automatic, but ensure that your browser is updated. Step 5 is to recalculate payroll. Just delete the incorrect paycheck and then re-enter payroll details and try to process again. Step 6 is to check direct deposit deadlines. You want to ensure that you're processing before the bank cutoff time, usually 5 p.m. Or 2 business days before payday. Step 7 is to contact support if needed. Have your EIN, your payroll subscription details, and error codes when ready when calling to be sure to get your response a lot faster. A pro tip is to always back up your company file before making payroll corrections. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.